Hi guys, welcome to the Advent, and this is Mixer. Today we are going to see about a new problem, subarrays with given sum. It is nothing but will be given an integer array and the length of the array and the target integer element. So we have to find a continuous subarray that adds the given number yes. So we have to find a continuous subarray. For example, if we add 2, 3 and 7, we'll get 12. So these are the continuous subarrays, and we have to return the starting position and the ending position of the continuous subarray. So here we are going to use a familiar technique, sliding window. It is one of the familiar technique. So if you don't know about sliding window, please go through any other tutorials and please learn sliding window. And I'll give a small intro of the sliding window using this example. Let's take an array, this array. So, yeah. Let's take this array. So first we will have an element which is sum. So we are going to add from the beginning till the end of the array. So we are having this equal to 12. Okay. So we are going to add 1, 2, 3, 7 continuously. We are going to add 1, 2, 3, 7 and we will get 13. The number 13 will take 13. So if the sum is greater than this element, we have to subtract the first element or second element, and in the reverse order. So if we subtract 13 minus the first element, we'll get 12. So this is the small intro about the sliding window technique. So now let's see a solution. And in this question we have to return the array list. So I'll create a new integer array list. And I return, and then we'll create the two variables, sum 0 and index 0. Now let's move to the loop. So we are going to traverse each and every element here. So and then we are adding each and every element from starting till when the number is greater than the yes. So we are adding so, and we are doing a case if sum equal to yes, we are going to add the first element. The first element is index plus 1. So before it, I'll write another case. So we have to subtract the first element whenever the sum is going beyond the s value. We have to subtract. So when the sum is greater than s, we have to subtract sum minus a or index. So now incrementing the index value. And then the index value is the initial value. The index value go like this, and the I value is the last value. So we'll add the I value. So we are incrementing one value because the arrays always starts with 0, but they ask the position which starts from 1, so that we adding 1 to it. So we can directly return a here. And also one more thing, the question, the sum, 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 Yeah, and the question stated that in case no case, if we don't find any sub arrays there, and we have to return an element -1. So I'll add -1 in the array list and return it. And one more corner case is here. What is the corner case means? If s equal to 0, we have to directly return. We should not do these procedures. We have to directly return -1 here. So if that s equal to 0, we should not get into the loop. We directly return it. So we will do it here using an AND operator. S not equal to 0. So let's run. Yeah guys, that was good, and thanks for watching. If you had any comments or any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment. Yeah, please subscribe the Advent YouTube channel.